Floyd cleaned himself after I gave him a little morning snack. I gave him like a quarter piece of bacon. Made a couple of little bite-sized morsels for him, like 4 little pieces. He ate them up. Chewed on forever. Then I got him a little sip of water. I put the rest of it in a cup. I'm sitting over there under a tree. Where'd it go? There it is. I'm bringing it inside when I'm done. Seeing a squirrel might see it and get a drink of water. Just hoping. Fucking seagulls. Why ain't you cleaning up? Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Gotcha. I got your pop. Now you're stuck. Stuck, kitty. Stuck kitties can't go anywhere. Stuck kitties get no bacon. You're so silly. You're so silly. You're so silly. You're my silly kitty. Camera shy. Camera shy. Look at your pretty face. Look at your cute little paws. Oh. Quit throwing shit. Fucking squirrel. I see you up there.